How to add downloadable files to Wix. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on this video, I will guide you how you can add a downloadable file on your Wix website. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the Wix website under the Wix. And once you're on the edit page, navigate to the top left corner, click on this plus button that says add elements. So from here, you could either add text or you could either add button. For now, let's add button. Navigate to this button option and here select the theme that you want to add. So once you have this button, you could drag it and place it somewhere here, or you can just place it wherever you like, but for now I will just add it here or here in this interface. Now click on this settings. Here you could change the button text to download. Here this text and here type in download. Under that, click on choose a link. From this pop-up box, head towards the document and here click on choose file. If you have uploaded your file, you could simply select your file from here. If not, click on upload media button and here go to upload from computer. Now from your computer, select the file that you want to add. For example, I will just add this PDF file. Select your PDF file, click on open. So once this file is successfully added, select this file, then click on add to page. Now this PDF file has been added and here click on done. Now you could close it. Now here if you go to the preview and if you click on download button right here, that's gonna take you to the PDF file and from here you could simply download the PDF file. So that's it. That's how you can add downloadable files on Wix website, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.